Hello, Kadyotanians, Kadyots. This is Kadyo TV again. Our Waray word for today is manhood. In English, it's a graduation from being a boy to a man. Sa Tagalog, yung pagkalalaki. Sa Waray, it is your younger brother, kapatid mong lalaki na mas nakakabata sa'yo. Ha? Manhood? So, but it sounds like, you know. So, there's no difference of manhood and manhood. It's all the same. So, you just have to, you know, accept that manhood and manhood sounds like. Okay, that is our word for today. Ciao!